Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Costco account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your app store and then search for the Costco application. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, simply download and install this application onto your device and click on open. Now once you've done that, you're normally going to be on this page right over here. From here, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the account tab on the bottom of your screen and then click on sign in or create account. Now this is going to take a little bit to go ahead and load up, so let's just wait for a second. Once this is already in this page, now you want to simply go ahead and click on create account down over here, and once you've done that, it's going to take a bit loading once again, and it's going to give you this page right here. So it's going to ask you to enter your email address and they'll send you a verification code. That verification code, you'll have to enter it back here and then create a password and your account will be ready. So it is a very simple process. If this video was helpful to you, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.